Guys and girls, this is Mr. Tutorial Guy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Kodi community build wizard, which is called TDB. It's a really good wizard, and it has a lot of community build that come under it. So I'm going to show you how to install that. So to do this one, you would need to have one of the Kodi copies on your mobile phone, so tablet or your computers or your laptops. After that, we're gonna configure it using the TDB build wizard, and I'm gonna show you how you can do that yourselves. So I'm gonna install this one on my tablet, and I got the one of the Kodi copies on down here. So install it, and then follow you can then follow these instructions. So to start with, so just waiting for that to load up. Right, here we go. Okay, so to configure Kodi then, and using the TDB build wizard, if you can hover over systems, and then click on file manager, and then click on add source. Down here, if you can type the following, so http :/ and then TDBWIZARD .co.uk/repo. Click on OK, click on done. Next, in where it says the enter the name, if you can type this, so put down TDBWIZARD and then click on done. So this is what you should have. Make sure it's all correct, otherwise it's not going to work for you. And of course, if you make a mistake, you can always go back and edit. Okay, so once you're happy with it, you can just enter OK, done. Okay, so to install the file, then we're gonna go to this time. Don't hover over, so if you can just click on system, click on the add-ons, then if you can click on install from zip file, and then here was the source. Okay, so if you can click it to install, and then in a second you should say enabled, TDB enabled. Okay, next if you click on go home, next if you click programs, and then once that comes up, if you click on program add-ons, click on get more. Okay, next if you then click on the TDBWIZARD, and then click on install. Okay, so that should take a few seconds to completely download, and then after that we're gonna launch it and open up. Here we go. So it should say enabled again, and make sure it does that, otherwise sometimes it hasn't worked for you. Okay, so we're gonna open up, so click on open. Okay, so down here you got a lot of different choices. So down here you got the team TDB build a premium, and you got a lot of different options. And then so this is the currently developing kodi version, and this is the stable one. So this is the current version, and this one is the one which is currently under the development. So okay, so if we click on that one, and under that one you got the you got a lot of options available, and you can choose one of these. Next, if we go back down here, we got this version, and you got a lot of other versions over here as well. Community build versions, which are down here, and this one gives you a lot of different options. For this for the purpose of this video though, I'm gonna use this one, I think. Yep, this one, the LTV. And then so once you choose the one that you want to install on your devices, and then just click to install, and right, okay, I'm not gonna go for that one, cancel that one. Okay, I chose the incorrect one, I think, over there. Okay, so that's the adult version, so I don't really want to okay, I'm gonna do a different one. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, so first it's gonna download it, and then secondly it's gonna extract the file. So when that completes, it's gonna take a bit of a time, so it can take up to maybe 7-8 minutes. So once that is completed, I'm gonna pause the video, and then after that I'm gonna come back, so you can then stay tuned for the wonderful results. So I'm gonna pause the video for now, and so you just have to be a little bit patient. So I'll come back to you guys, so see you later. Alright guys, so welcome back. So the installation of the Kodi community build using the TDBWIZARD is all completed now. So this is what it looks like. It looks pretty good to me. So this is the complete installation using the TDBWIZARD. So this one is a really good one, I have to say. It has a lot of different stuff, as you can see. You got all these options with the movies. So if we hover over under movies, you got all this under the movies, which looks pretty good to me. And so if you go to Phoenix, so as you can see, under Phoenix you got the different areas, which so under Phoenix you got around about 4 or 5 options available, and all this that shows you different stuff, some movies, some sports, drama, and so on. So a lot of different stuff together. At the moment, I got a lot of programs being updated at the background. So that is gonna take a few seconds to load up all together. And this is all the video add-ons. One I really like is this one. That one over there is a really good one, and it gives you, okay, so that's loaded now. Okay, let's go back. Right, the video add-ons. So the DNA TV Pro is a really good one, and it has a mix of UK and US TV sections. So this is actually the UK TV now section. Under the UK TV section, you got UK as well as a US section, and that's really good. And also all the channels they work. So you got all these channels, and US. And you got all these US channels as well. You got the sports over here, and under sports you got the BT Sports 2, Chelsea TV, a lot of different channels. Right, next if we go down here, this one is another good one, and it also has a mix of UK as well as a US TV channels. Yep, so it's loaded. So this is
that badly. What do they want? Boris Johnson as a Prime Minister or Jeremy Corbyn?
I think unless they do come up with some kind of two-tier membership system within the EU.
So similar to the other one, similar to DNA TV, and you got the movie channels and so on. Down here you got the international TV channels, the Hello Live TV. So you got the international TV channels, and so this one you can go by the countries. So you got the Arabian TV, you got the Swedish, Norwegian, Danish, UK, so all the European channels within the countries. and you got the Euro 2016 channel over here as well. Right, if we go down in the main section, so anything that you're gonna regularly use, you can add it as your favorite. Okay, so under movies, you got all these different sections. So this one, it has so you got HD movies, you got 3D movies. Let's check that one. Okay, so that's a pretty old one by the looks of it. You got the box set. So you got a lot of different options to use in that area. Okay, so this is the latest. Yeah, so this is the latest one. Mix of new ones and old ones. Okay, gotta stop that. There we are. Yeah, so this is the same one that I've just shown you, but this one is on the main area. And you got the exports over here. Right, guys, so there we are. And to shut down, you just need to click that one, and it should be should close itself now. Yeah, there you go. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and also thank you for your support. And till next time, take care, and thank you for your time today. Take care. Bye bye for now.